Up first this evening, the Biden administration is lifting its requirement that international air travelers to the U.S. take a COVID-19 test within a day before boarding their flights. Now, the move aims to ease one of the last remaining government mandate meant to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Anthony Lugg reports.
Even as COVID infections surge globally, the world appears to be moving on. This is evident as countries continue to ease restrictions once imposed to curb the spread of the virus. The U.S. on Friday announced that the mandatory testing requirement for international air travelers would be lifted effective Sunday at 12:01 a.m. The vaccine mandate will, however, remain in place. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has determined that the requirement is no longer necessary, but says the agency would reevaluate the need for the testing requirement every 90 days, and it could be reinstated if a troubling new variant emerges. Airlines and travel groups have been lobbying the White House for months to drop the COVID-19 test requirements and have welcomed the development. Also pleased is Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett.
A welcome move will make travel far more seamless. Will also make it less expensive for U.S. travelers. It will remove also the anxiety and uncertainty as to whether they will be extending their stay in an unplanned way in destinations far afield.
He's also hoping that this could mean a reduction in airfares as more airlines would be motivated to increase flights.
We could see perhaps additional flights being added from different gateways. But I think the further value is for international travelers routing through American gateways to Jamaica. We could see an increase in that, a significant impact that would have people coming from the Middle East, people coming from South America, from Europe, who have to travel through the U.S. to get to Jamaica. Airlines that have code-sharing arrangements with North America.
Flying since the pandemic has come at a major expense. Not only have passengers had to fork out money for airfares, but they've also had to factor in the cost of COVID tests. This has led to the proliferation of testing sites across Jamaica, with the procedure costing from as low as 4,000 Jamaican dollars for an antigen test up to 30,000 for some of the more expensive PCR tests. So, with the latest announcement from the US, and given that other countries could follow suit, it begs the question, what will happen to the testing sites? Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.